In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red highlighting in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and found parts of your text covered with a bright red highlight, don't worry, this is just Word's text highlight feature, and it's easy to clear. Think of highlighting like dragging a virtual marker over text. It sits behind the words and can be turned off in a couple of clicks. First, decide whether you want to remove highlighting from a specific section or from the entire document. If it's just a portion, start by selecting the text you want to unhighlight. Click and drag over the exact words or sentences. Selection matters. If your cursor is simply blinking in the paragraph without the text being highlighted, nothing will change. Make sure the text you want to fix is actually selected. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. In the font group, look for the text highlight color icon. It looks like a little marker. Don't click the icon itself. Instead, click the small arrow next to it to open the color menu. This reveals all the highlight colors currently available. To clear the highlight, choose No Color. As soon as you select No Color, Word removes that red background from your selected text. This works no matter what color the highlight is, red, yellow, or anything else. If you want to remove all highlighting in the document at once, you don't have to do it piece by piece. Select the entire document by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. You'll see that everything becomes selected. With everything selected, go back to the Home tab, open the Text Highlight Color menu using the small arrow, and pick No Color. Word will clear every highlight in one go, saving you a lot of time. A quick note for clarity. Red highlighting is different from red text color and different from the red squiggly underlines that indicate spelling issues. The steps here affect only the highlight behind the text. If you still see color after choosing No Color, you're likely looking at a different formatting feature, not the text highlight tool. To recap the flow, select the text you want to clean up, open the Text Highlight Color menu from the Home tab, and choose No Color. For a full document cleanup, press Ctrl+A first, then apply No Color. With that, your document should look clean and consistent again.